Hi viewers, today we will make special mutanjan. Let's start the recipe. Now viewers, I have taken a clean pan. Now we will add a quarter cup of oil in it. After that we will add 4 to 5 cloves and the same amount of green cardamoms. Now we will roast this lightly and then we will add 1 cup of sugar to it. You can also adjust the sugar according to your taste. Along with that we will add half a cup of milk. The purpose of adding milk is that it will cook like condensed milk and will not let the sugar harden. The sugar will dissolve nicely. Now cook it until the sugar completely melts. Look viewers, the sugar has dissolved nicely. Now you can use whatever dry fruits you have available. I have some chopped almonds, so I will add them in. Mix well. And here I have boiled rice, about half a kilo. This recipe is for half a kilo of rice. We will add the rice into it and mix well. We have mixed the rice well. Now you will cook the rice for just a little while so that this milk you see gets cooked a bit more. Because I have fully cooked the rice, they are not half done. We will stir gently so the rice doesn't break. From the same rice, I took out a small portion and added yellow color to it. We'll set them aside. In the same way, these are the green colored rice. Spread them out a little like this. We'll add a few almonds, cham cham and rasgullas on top of it. Now we cover it and place it on very low heat for 15 minutes. Look viewers, our rice has cooked so beautifully. Now we'll gently mix them so the rice don't break and then serve them for the final look. Viewers, the special mutanjan is ready. You must try it and let me know in the comments how you like this recipe. I'll be back with a new recipe for you. Goodbye.